Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about temperature. What is mean the temperature? See the picture. First one is ice cream. Second, iron box. Third, fire. And fourth, ice. So all of these four objects exhibit whether it is hot or cold. So we need reliable quantity to decide the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. This quantity is a temperature. Now coming to the point, what is meant by the temperature? Temperature is a physical quantity that expresses the degree of hotness or coldness of a object or substance. So see the diagram. Take a small amount of water in the vessel. Now apply the heat energy to the vessel. So automatically the water is absorb the heat and water will be start to boiling. So example, the temperature of the water is 95 degree Celsius. Okay, what? When we are apply the heat energy, when we are increasing the heat energy, the temperature will be increases. So this is the first diagram, and see the second diagram. So there is no any external heat energy. Okay, if we remove the heat energy, then automatically the temperature is decreases. Yes, it is a 15 degrees Celsius. So from first and second diagram, if we apply the heat energy, temperature is increases. If you remove the heat energy, temperature is decreases. Next, definition of temperature. Temperature is a measure of the average kinetic energy of the particle in a system. See again, temperature is a measure of the average kinetic energy of the particle in a system. So, what is the meaning of the definition? In any one of the system, all the particles are continuously moving. This measuring position is known as temperature. What is meant by the kinetic energy? An object is the energy that possesses due to its motion. That is a kinetic energy. Kinetic energy means moving or motion. So the equation of kinetic energy is of mv square. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Thermometers are used to measure the temperature directly. Three types of scales are: first one is Celsius, second one is Fahrenheit, third one is Kelvin. See again, Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Next, the melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. So that is a low fixed point, LFP. And the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius is taken as upper fixed point, UFP. See the tabulation. First, types of scales, second, lower fixed point, third, upper fixed point, and last, number of division in thermometer. So what is meant by the number of division in thermometer? So how many divisions are there on the thermometer? So that is the number of how many divisions. So that is a number of division. First, Celsius, lower fixed point is 0 degrees Celsius. upper fixed point is 100 degrees Celsius and the number of division is 100. And Fahrenheit, 32 degree Fahrenheit, 212 degree Fahrenheit, and number of division is 180. Finally Kelvin, lower fixed point is 273 Kelvin, upper fixed point is 373 Kelvin, and the number of division on thermometer is 100. Conversion of scales of temperature. The general formula for conversion scale of temperature is C minus 0 by 100 is equal to F minus 32 by 180 is equal to K minus 273 by 100. From this equation, we can convert from one scale to other scale. Example, Celsius to Fahrenheit, or Fahrenheit to Celsius, or Kelvin to Celsius, all are possible. See the various types of thermometer: upper fixed point and lower fixed point of Celsius, Kelvin and Fahrenheit scales. Next, uses of various thermometric scale. First one is a physician's or clinical thermometers. It is graduated in Fahrenheit scale. Second, a scientist are using thermometers with Kelvin scale. Third, common temperature measurements are made in Celsius scale. Example, weather reports are given in Celsius scale. Suppose you have a fever, means a doctor is checking your temperature by a thermometer in Fahrenheit scale. In laboratory and other research, a scientist are using a Kelvin scale, and weather reports are given in Celsius scale. A normal temperature of the human body is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit.